Are you tired of grueling, high-intensity cardio sessions that leave you exhausted and questioning their effectiveness? You're not alone. Many people find traditional cardio workouts draining and time-consuming, leading them to seek a more efficient solution. What if you could achieve similar fat-burning results in just 5 minutes? Yes, that's right. This quick workout will completely transform your approach to fitness. This 5-minute routine fits perfectly into any busy schedule, energizes your body, and gets your heart racing, all in a fraction of the time. With focused exercises designed to ramp up your metabolism, you'll boost your stamina and tone your muscles without the struggle of extended cardio. In this video, we'll introduce you to this revolutionary 5-minute workout that can change the way you stay fit. Get ready to take your fitness journey to the next level. Burpees. Let's start with burpees, an all-in-one exercise that targets your entire body. Begin by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower into a squat position and place your hands on the ground in front of you. Jump your feet back into a plank position, making sure your body is straight from head to heels. Then, jump your feet back to the squat position and leap up explosively. Repeat this sequence for 1 minute. Burpees are fantastic because they engage multiple muscle groups, including your legs, core, and arms, all while giving you a cardiovascular challenge. As you perform burpees, your heart rate increases, leading to calorie burn and improved stamina. This exercise also enhances your coordination and agility, making it a great choice for a quick workout. To maximize your burpees, focus on your form. Ensure you land softly when jumping and keep your core tight during the plank phase. If you're a beginner, you can modify by stepping back instead of jumping, gradually building up your strength and confidence. Remember, consistency is key. Aim for at least 2 rounds of burpees in your 5-minute workout. Jumping jacks. Next up are jumping jacks. This classic exercise is excellent for warming up and getting your heart rate up. Start by standing tall, with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump up, spreading your legs shoulder-width apart while raising your arms above your head. Quickly return to the starting position and repeat. Aim for 1 minute of continuous movement. Jumping jacks are effective because they elevate your heart rate while also working your legs and arms. They can improve your cardiovascular fitness, agility, and coordination. As you jump, focus on maintaining a steady rhythm. This helps keep your heart rate elevated throughout the exercise, maximizing calorie burn. To add variety, try different arm movements or increase the speed of your jacks. You can also incorporate a small squat when landing to engage your lower body even more. This will enhance the intensity of the exercise without needing extra time. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are an intense full-body exercise that engages your core, arms, legs, and shoulders all at once. Start in a high plank position with your hands placed directly under your shoulders and your body aligned in a straight line from head to toe. From this position, drive one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch to bring the other knee forward, simulating a running motion while keeping your upper body steady. Perform this move for 1 minute, focusing on keeping your core engaged throughout. The beauty of mountain climbers lies in their ability to boost both strength and cardiovascular fitness at the same time. Because you're using your body weight and moving at a fast pace, your heart rate quickly increases, providing an effective cardio workout. At the same time, the continuous movement of your legs and stabilization of your body helps strengthen your core, improving your balance and coordination. This exercise is especially beneficial for toning the abdominal muscles while also working on endurance and agility. If you want to increase the intensity, you can adjust the speed of your mountain climbers or add a short pause each time you bring a knee forward, holding the position to challenge your core even more. Proper form is essential. Avoid letting your hips sag or rise too much, as this can put unnecessary strain on your lower back. Keep your movements controlled and steady to maximize the benefits and make every second of the workout count. High knees. Next, we have high knees. Stand tall and begin jogging in place while lifting your knees as high as possible. Aim to get your knees to hip height while pumping your arms for momentum. Continue this for 1 minute, focusing on quick foot movement and maintaining a high knee lift. High knees are a powerful cardio exercise that helps build speed and agility. This movement engages your core, legs, and glutes, providing a full-body workout. The explosive nature of high knees elevates your heart rate quickly, making it an excellent addition to your short workout. For added intensity, try to speed up as you progress. You can also add a jump between each knee lift to challenge yourself further. Remember to stay light on your feet and keep your core engaged throughout the exercise for maximum effectiveness. Squat jumps. Let's bring this workout to a powerful close with squat squat jumps. To start, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your body into a squat position, ensuring your hips are pushed back and your chest is up. From this position, explode upwards into a jump, and when you land, absorb the impact by bending your knees and immediately returning to the squat position. Continue this movement for 1 minute, focusing on how high you can jump while keeping the motion smooth and controlled. Squat jumps are a fantastic way to build lower body strength, specifically targeting your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. This exercise also boosts your cardiovascular endurance as the jumping motion elevates your heart rate. As a bonus, squat jumps improve your explosive power, which is crucial for activities that require quick bursts of energy, like running or jumping. It's not just about working your muscles, it's about building athleticism and coordination. To challenge yourself even more, try jumping higher with each rep or adding a pulse at the bottom of the squat before jumping up again. Remember, form is everything. Keep your knees aligned with your toes and your chest lifted to prevent injury and maximize results. By focusing on controlled landings and powerful takeoffs, you'll make every jump count, turning this quick exercise into a full-body workout that packs a punch. And there you have it, a quick 5-minute workout that replaces high-intensity cardio. Incorporating these exercises into your routine can help you stay fit even on the busiest days. Remember, consistency is key, so aim to repeat this workout several times a week. If you found this workout helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and routines. Keep moving and stay healthy.